Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best benchtop band saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the KAKA Industrial Benchtop Metal Cutting Band Saw 1000W. If you're looking for a robust metal cutting solution that won't overwhelm your workspace, the KAKA Industrial BS85 delivers professional-grade performance in a compact package. Its 1000W pure copper motor powers through metal, wood, plastic, and fiberglass with precision. You'll appreciate the versatile work table that adjusts from 0 degree to 45 degrees for angled cuts, while the 3.3-inch round and 3.3 multiplied by 4.1-inch rectangular cutting capacities handle most workshop needs. The reinforced aluminum frame eliminates vibration, and at just 41 pounds, it's easily manageable. With one-handed operation, automatic blade tension, and quiet operation under 75 decibels, you'll find this saw both powerful and user-friendly. Moving on at number 4, we have the Klutch Metal Cutting Band Saw. DIY enthusiasts looking for a versatile benchtop saw will appreciate the Klutch Metal Cutting Band Saw's impressive cutting capacity. You'll get clean cuts through 5-inch round stock and 5 multiplied by 4-inch rectangular materials at 90 degrees, with beveling options up to 60 degrees. The 400-watt motor delivers variable speeds from 125 to 260 fpm, making it suitable for different metals. While it excels at cutting mild steel and aluminum, you'll want to avoid overloading it during heavy-duty tasks. At 52 pounds, it's portable yet stable, and users praise its build quality and easy blade tension adjustment. The bi-metal blade and brushless motor design guarantee reliable performance for home workshops. At number 3, we have the SKIL 2 8AMP9N 2-speed benchtop band saw for woodworking. Woodworkers seeking a versatile and compact benchtop band saw will find the SKIL BW950100 to be a reliable choice for basic projects. With its 8AMP induction motor and 2-speed drive system, you get clean cuts through various wood materials. The saw features precision ball bearing guides, tool-free belt tensioning, and a rack and pinion table for quick angle adjustments. You'll appreciate the integrated dust port and included miter gauge for accurate crosscuts. While it's perfect for hobbyists working with MDF and thin woods, be aware that some users report blade wobble issues. The 3-year warranty provides peace of mind for your investment. At number 2, we have the WEN Metal Band Saw. The WEN 4555 benchtop band saw strikes an impressive balance between capability and affordability for hobbyists and home workshop enthusiasts. You'll get a versatile 4.5 amp machine that handles pipes up to 5 inches in diameter and rectangular materials up to 5x4 to 7/8 inches. With adjustable speeds from 125 to 260 fpm and beveling capability from 0 to 60 degrees, you can tackle a wide range of metal cutting projects. While users praise its precision and portability, you should consider upgrading the included blade for better performance. The tool's 3.8-star rating reflects mixed experiences, with some concerns about blade longevity and switch reliability. And finally, at number 1, we have the WEN 9-inch band saw. Beginners and hobbyists seeking an affordable entry into metal cutting will find the WEN 9-inch band saw B3959 an excellent starting point. With its 2.8 amp motor delivering speeds up to 2,500 feet per minute, you'll handle light metals and hardwoods with ease. The saw's 12 1/4x11 7/8-inch table bevels up to 45 degrees, while the 3 1/2-inch depth capacity suits most small projects. You'll appreciate the included rip fence, miter gauge, and 2 1/2-inch dust port. Though it's not for heavy-duty work, Its compact design and reliable performance make it ideal for DIY tasks. Consider upgrading the blade for enhanced cutting precision. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.